Hey everybody, Jason here this morning. So everything down, no safe haven this morning. But real quick, I'm going to roll out some of these credit spreads here, these 600s, and I'm going to roll them out to that July timeframe. And so this is an example of where if I look on July, they only have $10 increments. So they have 600 590s. So if I want to roll them out to that same level and not just close my first ones, then I'll have to do basically two of these for one of those. So in this case, we can use some ratio here. So we'll go ahead and click buy on the 600s, sell the 595s, and then roll those guys out to July 16th. We'll sell the 600s, buy the 590s, and when we hit this button, you can see in the corner here we have edit ratios. So we'll look at the 514s. So we just need to change this to 2. It's basically 2 of those, the 514s, for each one of the 716s. So we just change those to 2. Hit continue. And now this would be a total of 5 trades to move them all out. So we'll go ahead and hit 5. And Tesla dropping. I should have not recorded this and just did it earlier. But let's see. Everything's moving so much, it's really hard to get a gauge on what we're able to get here. But let's try for a 50-cent credit. And it may have dropped too fast for me to get any credit here at all. Let's try a 40. And there we go. All right, so we're able to roll those out, grab a $200 credit, and now Tesla can drop all it wants today. Hopefully not too much more. But that was just an example of rolling out a credit spread for a wider strike price, but of course less of them. So now we have 5 of those expiring in July instead of having 10 of them expiring this week. Let's take a look at what Palantir did this morning. Wow, Palantir is on its way back up. Absolutely amazing. Thought we were thought we were going to own another 100 shares of this. I'd sold the put on the $18 put on this, but we're actually positive on that play. So pretty amazing. That's the only thing I have expiring this week. Like I said yesterday, I went ahead and rolled things out. I'm pretty beat today, it looks like, as far as the account. I'm sure a lot of people are, unless you pulled everything out into cash. I don't think much is up today. Maybe you bought some puts. Who knows? All right, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions about that, let me know, and I will try to answer them as soon as I can. All right. Love you guys. Let's not lose a lot of money.